This month's riff of the month is this cool two-handed polyrhythm thing that my bass player stole. What's up with that? Okay, he didn't really steal it. He kind of absconded with it for the intro of his song. The last song on the new Answer Infinity record starts with this riff, and it's played on bass first, and then we use it all different ways. So you might want to check the song out. It's pretty cool. It's this little pop song, like 12 minutes long, tiny. So I did a version of it here, outside the context of that song, just a quick throw together so you can see what it looks like. Let me play that for you first, and then we'll dissect it. Okay, so if you've seen polyrhythms before, you probably recognize that this is quarter notes and triplets mixed. Basically here I am playing the root note of the riff with my left hand as quarter notes, and with my right hand I'm tapping triplets from the octave through to like the minor third and the 9. So it's in the key of B, and it starts on the B chord, and I'll include tabs in a PDF below this as well, of course. And I'm just playing that B note here in quarter notes, 7th fret E string, and then the right hand is playing the triplets on the D string, which is also a B on the 9th fret, and when you put them together. And so then I'm moving the right hand as I keep the left hand going. I've got one measure of just the octave. Then I move up to the minor third, 12th fret, the D for a half measure. And then the C sharp, the 9 on the 11th fret. And I repeat it twice. Do it again. Then I go down to a G chord, and that is the 3rd fret on the low E string, and I'm playing the 9th fret again, the B on the D string, so it's the major third. Down to the A at the 7th fret, and then down to the G. Back up to A. So. And I stay put on the 7th fret, the A note there. Move my left hand up to the note A. Build up to the B. C sharp. So that makes up the whole of it. Nothing too complex, but it's very cool when you mix up quarter notes and triplets like that. And I have another way of doing it that I use in the song as well, and I'm going to show you that here as a little bonus trick. And that is that you can use the same triplet and quarter note type of pattern with just pluck strings. So you pluck the quarter notes with your thumb, and I've got the B, the same B from before, but it's the octave, right? So it's the 9th fret on the D string. And I've got the triplets that I'm playing now on the G string. I start with the 11th fret. I'm going to go 11, 12, 9. And I pluck those with my forefinger. Then you can move around and play the chords. So there's a lot of different uses for this whole triplet quarter note polyrhythm thing, and a lot of different ways you can use it. Hopefully that made sense to you and you guys get something out of it. As with all the riffs of the month and everything I do here, I'm hoping that you take this and expound on it and turn it into your own thing. And if you come up with something cool, please share in the comments below, or if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always willing to help out, and I always want to hear what you're up to. So until next time, guys, keep making great music.
Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.